Hi guys, Leslie with Majestic Party Rental here with another tutorial for you guys. So this is a flower centerpiece, as you can see. We're gonna go ahead and show you what we will be using for this today. So we will have a water weight, and so pretty much all this is, it's a double stuffed balloon with water in it. I like to use this, save some money on some weights, and there we go. I'm using 10 lime green 11-inch Balloonia balloons. I'm using 4 11-inch Balloonia balloons. I'm using one 12-inch Link Balloonia balloon. We're gonna use 10 lavender Balloonia balloons and 2 5-inch pink Balloonia balloons. All right, so we're gonna start here. Again, because these are all tutorials for you to do at home, we are using the hand pump. So it is a little bit more time consuming. So if you have a pump at home, use your pump at home with your measurer. So what we're gonna start is we're gonna start with our base, and we're gonna start with 15 pumps. Again, when you're using your pump, you're gonna count each pump as 1, 2, okay? So the top and the bottom. So count when you hit on the top and you hit the bottom. So again, I like to count with this because it is a little bit time consuming, and it's kind of, you gotta focus on how many pumps you're doing because you want your balloons to be the same size. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're gonna tie this fella up, and we're gonna try to do this as quickly as possible because, like I said, it is time consuming, okay? So we're gonna go, I like to shut down my pump. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we are putting this guy into a set. We're gonna do this again. Again, let's close off our pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm gonna attach this guy to these two here. So now we have 3. Again, 15 pumps, guys. Let's close our pumps. 1, 2. So we're gonna blow up again one more balloon. And we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're gonna tie this guy to this guy. And we're going to put these together, and it'll give us a total of 5. And I'm going to set this down for now. Now we're going to blow up our 11-inch 5 remainder balloons into 7 pumps. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, same thing, we're putting it into a set. Again, 7 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna tie this fellow to these two over here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, tie these guys together, and then we're gonna do it into a set of 5. All right, so now we're gonna add our water weight. We're gonna bring this set back up here. We're gonna put our water balloon underneath this. We're gonna add this set on top. And then we're just gonna tie our water weight to one of the balloons on top of here. And there is your base. So you have your water weight and your base. All right, guys, so now we're gonna inflate our 11-inch regular balloons. We're gonna do this into 20 pumps, okay? So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm gonna tie this fellow up to the other fellow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm gonna tie this guy to these two over here. So 20 pumps, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're gonna inflate our link balloon. Same pumps. You're gonna do 20 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And tie this guy to this guy. Again, you're gonna make this into a set of 5. So you should have 5 balloons, 4 11 regular inch, and 1 link balloon. We're gonna set this guy down. Now we're gonna inflate our lavender 5 inch into 2 pumps each. So we're gonna do very easy, 1, 2. One, 2. And again, guys, if you have a pump at home, I would have already been done with this if I'm using my regular pump. You can always purchase these pumps off of Amazon. All you want to do is Google or go on Amazon and do the search balloon pump. You'll find a cheap balloon pump for about $20 and they work magic. Okay, so again, we're going to continue inflating these into 2 pumps. 1, 2. 1, 2. I'm going to put this guy with this guy. Got one more guy to go. 1, 2. We're going to tie this guy to this guy. Again, you should have a set of 5. Okay. We have 5 more left, so we're going to do another set, guys. 1, 2. Oops, we're only using 2 pumps. Sorry, guys. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. I'm gonna tie this fellow up to this guy. 1, 2. 1, 2. This is a very simple, beautiful centerpiece to do at home, guys. If you guys are, trying to stay under budget for your party, you have a girl, this is a good option to do. Now we have our last 2 balloons. We're going to do 1 pump each. Okay, 1. Tie that guy. 1 more pump. 1. And we're going to tie that guy to that guy. Okay. And then you should be stuck with this here. Okay. So now we're going to bring this guy back up here, guys. And so the reason why we have the link balloon is because we're actually going to use this to attach this. So I'm going to bring this, I'm going to attach to the top, guys. I like to tie it twice. So it should look like that. We're going to pick up this guy over here. You should have these 2 sets. We're going to put this in the middle of these 5 here. This should turn into a 5 as well. We're going to make them all come together. And then we're going to bring our pink over to the other side, in between. Then we're going to grab these guys over here. We're going to open them up. So there are 5. And we're going to, and then you just want to twist a little bit just so we can make sure that everything is attached properly. You want to bring all our balloons together. And as you can see, you're just adjusting. on both ends. So no matter where you're sitting in your table, you can turn this guy around and it's gonna be beautiful all around. And that's how you do a flower centerpiece, guys. That simple. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching.